Hello, I am Dr. Alap Shah on behalf of Ivory's Dental Clinic and Implant Center, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India. I am here with another video on oral hygiene maintenance and tips for taking care of your teeth at home. We all know that teeth brushing is one of the most basic elementary methods of maintaining your teeth. But apart from teeth brushing, there are other methods or other tools for cleaning your teeth. Technically speaking, toothbrushing covers 60 to 80% of your tooth surfaces in terms of oral hygiene maintenance, and after completing your toothbrushing, there are still 20 to 40% surfaces or areas where brush may not be able to clean your teeth, or brush may not be able to access the spaces where we need to use additional tools or measures of oral hygiene maintenance. Today I'm going to talk about dental floss. Dental floss traditionally used to be available in thread form, where you were supposed to use it by winding it around the fingers, but it was cumbersome to use it for the back teeth. Later on, dental floss has been introduced into the market in the form of plastic disposable handles with dental floss attached to it. Today's video, we will demonstrate to you how to use a dental floss and make sure that you are staying away from dental decays and dental appointments. So when we brush our teeth with a regular toothbrush, the surfaces which come in contact with the bristles of the toothbrush, which is on the outer side, on the top side and on the inner side, we are able to cleanse those surfaces. But when we additionally use a dental floss with a plastic handle and a floss attached to it, we are able to insert the floss between the two teeth in the surfaces where a brush is otherwise not able to come in contact. So in order to use a dental floss effectively, we have to divide the teeth into two aspects: the front teeth or the anterior teeth and the back teeth or the premolars and the molars. So let's just check it out how to cleanse the in-between surfaces with the dental floss in the front teeth. So the recommended method is, first I have to insert the dental floss between the two teeth, and then I have to tilt the floss towards one of the teeth, for example canine in this case, and then I have to perform to and fro motion and slide it outwards. Again I have to enter in the same spot, and then I have to tilt the floss towards the other tooth and perform to and fro motion and slide the floss gently outwards. Same step I need to continue for other tooth until I finish my front teeth. When I want to perform flossing for the back teeth, I will not be able to slide it conveniently because of the cheek or the corner of the mouth. So in order to use it effectively for the back teeth, I have to bend the dental floss in the front region of the floss by 90 degrees. And now I can effectively go all the way backwards towards the last tooth as well. And then I have to hold the floss between the two teeth, and I have to tease the floss through the contact area and go downwards. And again I have to perform the same motion of to and fro sliding motion of the dental floss and move it outwards. I have to again enter and tilt the floss towards the neighboring tooth and slide it against the surface and take it out. If my contact areas between the two teeth are too tight, and if I am not able to insert it, the recommended method is to gently use your upper teeth and press on the top part of the dental floss, and you will be able to insert the floss across the contact area, and then you can perform to and fro motion and take the floss outwards. This way you will be able to cleanse the remaining areas between the two teeth which are otherwise not accessible by the dental toothbrush. I hope this video helps you in introducing dental floss in your day-to-day oral hygiene maintenance. If you use a dental floss at least once a day before you go to bed, you will be able to stay away from common dental problems like dental decay between the two teeth, sensitivity resulting from dental decay, food lodgement, and bleeding gums resulting from food lodgement. Apart from these oral hygiene measures to be taken at home, please ensure that you visit your dentist at least once in 6 months for a routine dental checkup and professional teeth cleaning appointment. In the next video, we shall talk about the third measure of oral hygiene maintenance, which is called water flosser. Until then, keep smiling and keep flossing.